Hello everyone, this is Jay and good morning. It's Sunday, which is when I give an update on my dividend portfolio. I'm going to be showing my positions in the dividend portfolio. I'm going to be showing the buys that I made in the last week. And then I'm also going to talk very quickly about a company that I'm really looking into that is on a dip right now. And I'm going to tell you the reasons why I'm looking into it. I also wanted to congratulate one of my longtime subscribers, which I'm going to do right now. But before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and please leave me in the comment section. What were your purchases this week and what are you drinking right now while you're watching this nice update? All right, so let's go right into the updates tab. And I wanted to congratulate Maytech, who put in Friday's video. Hello everybody, finally my portfolio hit 23k, the 23k mark. Wow, nice, that's awesome, Maytech. And this one right here, and I finally finished my university exams. What a great day. Hope everybody is enjoying it as well. So definitely congratulations, Maytech. I'm sure you did great. I hope you continue your journey. And definitely that's awesome. That's great. That's so great. So I'm very happy for you, and I hope and I'm sure everybody else is also. All right, so let's go right into my buys for the week right here, which it is my very first purchase was SCHD, my $25 into SCHD, as I do every week, no matter what the price is at. A $25 purchase on SCHD. Share price was $76.76 at the time of the purchase. Then my next purchase was another $25, but into VYM, as I do every week. Share price was at $112.75. Then I've been deploying the cash that I had parked on the side into Visa. So I deployed another $20 into Visa. And I know it is at all-time highs. Yes, I know. But I'm looking into this company for the long term, as it just continues to grow and grow and grow. So share price was at $275.16 at the time of the purchase. Then my next one was $10 into my S&P 500 index fund, FXAIX. And share price was at $174.62. This position has been performing very good for me, and I'm sure for all of you out there, right? Unless you guys just started today, then you'll just have to continue to buy and hold. Just buy and hold. Definitely the S&P 500 index fund is one that it feels very, very safe. None of this is financial advice, guys. Always do your research. But the S&P 500 is like pretty much the first index fund or ETF that I would say, anytime anyone starts a portfolio should go into, honestly. But not financial advice, guys. You make your own decisions. My next one was on all realty income. As I've said in the video on Friday, I was going to make a little bit more of a purchase on all realty income. I put $10. Why? Because the share price was at $52.83. The real estate sector is getting hit again because they're pushing a little bit the interest rate cuts. So yes, I know I am a little bit heavy on the real estate sector, which is, take a look right here. I have 17% of my portfolio, as you can see right here, in the real estate sector. But I have to take advantage of the dip right now. And then I'm going to plan and hold if it goes back up, right? I'm hoping it does go back up when they start cutting interest rates. But as of right now, I want to continue buying and holding in small increments, right? I have 38% of my money in ETFs, so I feel pretty safe on that. And then I have the rest of my money in other sectors right there. But I want to continue buying some more all realty income. I have put a pause for some time, but now that it's down again, I'm going to take advantage. If it goes back down into the 40s, I'm going to go a little bit heavier than $10, honestly. I'm probably going to put double that just to build my position a little bit bigger again, and then I'll put a pause on it. Then my next one was $10 into J&J, who also took a nice dip, Johnson & Johnson. The share price was at $156.83. So I've been bringing my cost down while it is in the 150s as of right now. So I'm really liking that price right now. So I'm gonna continue buying more and more of Johnson and Johnson. Then I put $5 into each one of these positions right here. The next one was Vici. Share price was $29.55. This one also took a dip, which I'm gonna start taking advantage of. And then PFE Pfizer, $5. Share price was $27.41. Then Kenvue took a dip after missed earnings right there. Ticker symbol is KVUE. Share price was $19.51. This is the spinoff from Johnson & Johnson. So I'm believing in the company because I like their products. I really do. I believe almost every household in the U.S. for sure have some of their products from Kenvue for sure. And that's why I'm investing in it. I'm investing in it for the long term, honestly. Then my last $5 was Starbucks, which share price was at $97.04. If it goes above the $100, I do not believe I'm gonna buy anymore. But I bought a couple shares in the 90s. I brought my cost per share up a little bit while I was buying like $5-10 into Starbucks. So, but I'm planning on holding long term also. So I'm gonna continue to do research. Hopefully it goes down. It goes back down again to the low 90s. And if it goes into the 80s, this one is gonna take priority over some of these other companies that I have right here to build a little bit more because I want to build that position. So definitely that will take. I will put some more extra money for sure. So total in purchases this last week was $119.47, which I'm definitely excited about. Then here it is, my dividend portfolio right here. And this is the spreadsheet that I use. I created it myself. And this is where I keep track of all of my positions. I also have one for my growth portfolio if you're new to the channel. And I also have one actually for my Roth IRA, but that I do not share in this channel. I'm going to keep that one private. And it has been doing very well, actually. Because I pretty much don't have any individual positions. So I'm pretty much in the positive. And it has been doing very, very well. So that one I have like a little bit more automatic. But this is my spreadsheet for my dividend portfolio. I really want to grow this portfolio right here for income in the near future. Hopefully in less than 20 years, I can start using some of this income. Once I finish paying off my wife's SUV, I'm gonna try to start putting some more money into this dividend portfolio right here for sure, because that's my goal. My goal is to continue to grow this portfolio right here. I really like a lot of my positions, but I want to continue growing SCHD and VYM, which are gonna be the two that I'm planning on holding forever. As long as nothing changes, right? But I really like both of them right there. And then paired up with the ones in my Roth IRA, I'm hoping that when I'm 60, I'm going to have some nice income. I'm not going to be rich, guys. I'm not trying to look to be rich and be flashy and have a bunch of chains and a Lamborghini or Ferrari or anything like that. No. I'm good with my Toyota or Honda, right? and just buying my clothes at Costco. I'm okay with that. I don't need to be flashy and have like, $200 pair of jeans and all these other things. I'm okay with that. Please leave me in the comment section. What are your buy and hold forever positions that you have in your portfolio? I really would like to know, if you don't mind, hopefully. But yes, this is my portfolio right here. In performance, let's go to the right a little bit. I'm only up 0.32%, $34. But my portfolio is at $10,910. So hopefully if it continues to perform the way it is and MPW doesn't continue to bring my portfolio down, right? With some of these other companies also, of course, because All Realty Income has been bringing it down too. But if it does not continue to go down by next week, I should be at $11,000 in market value. Which I'm definitely very, very excited about. As you can see right here, also SCHD is, of course, my biggest position right here at 2,700 in market value. I'm really hoping, I'm really trying to reach 50 shares before the year end, and I feel very, very good about it, and I do believe I'm gonna reach it. I'm gonna get there by in this year, in 2024. And then I also, one of my other goals is to have VYM in 2024. One of my goals is to have VYM in the second spot, which I'm doing very, very well right here. I am almost above Bank of America. So I think by next week, depending on Bank of America's performance, which has been performing very good for me, actually, I'm up 16%. So VYM should take that third spot right there over Bank of America. But I am being very bullish on VYM, and I am planning on holding long term VYM, very, very long term, honestly. So this one I am in the positive by 5.67% and 5.47% in SCHD. Another one that I'm performing very well is in Main Street Capital. I'm up 16%. One of the subscribers asked me to do a review on a couple of BDCs. This is the only one that I pretty much bought some time ago, and it was the only one that I did some research. I'm gonna be honest with you. I wasn't as knowledgeable as I am right now. I'm not saying that I am an expert right now, because I am not. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. But I really liked a lot of the things back then, and that's why I continue to buy some more. I gotta show you guys the history on this one, because I bought some. I actually I was talking in this one to Randy, I think it was in the comment section, and I actually bought some of these around $33. That's crazy. Some shares. So I gotta show you guys my history with Maine, and definitely I wish I would have bought more, but I'll show you guys in one of the episodes. I'll take a couple of screenshots. Hopefully, I got a busy week this week. I got a couple of videos I want to make, but hopefully that one is one that I can make this week also. Then my other position that is doing very, very well for me is Apple, which I'm growing every week right here. And I'm up 40% right now, which is definitely awesome. And on Monday, I have a friendly challenge with Jeremy, who's a subscriber of the channel. So he's buying $10 on Monday of Visa, and I'm going to be buying $10 of Apple on Monday also. So I'll show you guys a screenshot, and probably on Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll probably show you guys a screenshot of my buy on Apple, and then I'll update this spreadsheet right here. But I'm gonna buy, pretty much it's gonna help me buy $40 on the Apple position this month in February, and I'm just waiting for it to go down a little bit more. I think my price for me to continue to add more on myself is gonna be under 180. That's where I think I wanna start adding some more. Even though I do believe in Apple long term, so I probably should continue buying $5. I don't know. I'm considering that. Maybe buying $5 on a weekly basis, right? Even though it's going to bring my cost per share up, which my cost per share right now is at $134.28. But I believe in Apple long term. Their growth is probably going to be a little bit slow, but let's see, because that new VR, have you guys seen those videos in the new VR? Leave me your opinion in the comment section. Do you have one? I would like to know if you have one, how cool they are. If you do have one, please, if you could tell me your experience a little bit, or what you think about it. So I can post it in one of the videos also, because I would like to know that those VRs look pretty cool, definitely. All right, everyone. So let's go to the right here. And this is what I'm working for, which is the total in estimated yearly income. And right now I am estimating in the next 12 months, if nothing changes, right? And if nothing changes in any of the companies, $430 in yearly income. Of course, this is an estimated in the 12 months. Could be more, it could be less. If a company cuts their dividend, so it's gonna be less. If a company or an ETF boosts their their dividends, then it's gonna be more, and hopefully that is the what is gonna happen. So, but this is what I keep track. These are my yield on cost right here in column N, and then the estimated next dividend, which I'm very, very excited about. A couple companies paying me in February, and then I'm excited for March, because in March is when I get like a very, very nice income. So I'm excited for that. All right, so right here, this is another thing that keeps me very, very motivated. I love this chart right here, which is what I was just showing you in column Q, per company. What company pays me what and how much in every year. And my largest company, of course, is SCHD, which is actually largest ETF. SCHD, a $94 estimated yearly dividend. The next one, All Realty Income, $79 in yearly dividends, which is definitely awesome. And I'm buying more, so I'm hoping I get to $80 by next month. And then Main Street Capital, $44. This is without the special dividends that they do every quarter or every other quarter. And then MPW is paying me $37 a year in dividends. And then the next one, VYM. I'm definitely trying to grow VYM some more and more. So let's see, hopefully by the end of the year of 2024. And then this is the portfolio salary. If my portfolio worked a 40-hour week, right? And how much is the value, how much in average I get paid per month, which is $35 out of the $430. So $35 per month, $8.28 per week, per 52 week, then $1.18 per day. So I'm almost at the I can buy an item at the dollar store, one item per day of the year. So definitely excited about that. And if we worked a 40-hour week, it will get paid 21 cents per hour. So that's definitely exciting. And then the company that I wanted to talk about real quick, I know the video is taking long, but real quick, it is SnapOn, ticker symbol SNA. I'll probably do a better research next week. I'll put it in my research next week. But it took a dip, 9% dip after earnings, if I'm not mistaken. So this one is looking very, very nice. But in the last year, if you see right here, it is still performing up 5.5%, so which is great. And then in the last 5 years, up 58%. So if you bought 5 years ago, today you'll still be up 58% in share price only, not including dividends. And I'm going to show you very quickly their dividends. But this company has a market cap of $13.85 billion, EPS, earnings per share, 18.41, and their EPS is higher than their PE ratio. PE ratio is 14.25 right now. Their dividend, $7.44 per share per year, which equals 2.84% dividend yield at the price that is at right now, which I'm really, really liking. Analysts are calling this a buy, of course. And let's go into the dividends tab real quick. Look at the dividend yield, 2.84%, $7.44 per share per year. Payout ratio, 40% only. They only use 40% of their free cash flow to pay this dividend. And look at the dividend growth in the last year, 14.29%. Wow, that's definitely nice right there. And I'm really, really liking it. I also opened it up. Let me see if it's still here. Yes, it is still here in the Seeking Alpha tab right here. Look at this dividend growth CAGR. Their 3-year dividend growth CAGR, 14.56%, 5-year dividend growth CAGR, 14.53%, and the 10-year, 15.58%. This company definitely has some great growth right here. Ticker symbol is SNA. Do your research. Please leave me in the comment section. Do you own this company? I'm sure from what I see right now, you are definitely happy if you've been holding this company for like 10 years. Or even 5 years. That dividend growth is looking really, really, really good. And you probably have a dividend yield of 4 or 5% right now if you bought it like 10 years ago, honestly, on your price. So definitely this company looks really, really good. And with that 9% dip, I know that if you open the 1 year, it is still up pretty high at $262, but to me, it looks really, really good. Of course, none of this is financial advice, guys. Always do your research. And please leave me in the comment section. Leave me your opinion. What were your purchases this week? Any milestones that you have reached, so I can post you in next week's video. Definitely excited about Maytech. Congratulations on that. And I have a couple more videos that I want to make this week, so I'm going to be posting some of those hopefully this week for sure. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to join me in the journey. I want, please, if you can help me reach 600 subscribers, that would definitely be awesome. I'm definitely excited about that. And I'll definitely hope you enjoy your Sunday with your family, loved ones, friends, doing any hobbies that you like. So definitely, I hope you enjoy your Sunday, and I see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.